Hello, YouTuber woobers. So it's a windy day out there, and my vertical windmill is turning, and so is the one on the roof. But I wanted to show you this hole I have in my fender. Um, it needs to be repaired in order for me to pass inspection in July. So at least that gives me some time. But I thought I'd send it out to you guys out there that are all higher experts than me. It's been years since I've done any body work. And I could probably, but now as I'm picking at it to get away all the roots that have started from a little hole, now it's a big hole. But if you guys think that I can use some of the many kits that are available for me to repair it, and look at that, it's not even on the screen anymore, then yeah, let's see if it goes back down. Yep. So I mean, outside of that, it's got to look decent. So let me know if you think that I could repair it. And if you don't think I can repair it, I should take it to a auto body shop. Let me know that too. You won't hurt my feelings, even though some of you try to. Have a wonderful day out there. But